welcome to the second episode of the Not So Daily Show. I'm Lujaina Goma.
And I'm Karim Amaro.
We are back today with more exciting content, but first, we'd like to thank all of you for the love and support you showed us on our first episode.
And now we present to you our latest headlines.
Are you an artist? Then here's your chance to show off your work. The Untold Stories of Resilience is an art contest hosted by Qatar Museums and Qatar Foundation. It aims to highlight human resilience in times of crisis. Submit your artwork before October 15th and your name might be mentioned in the Paris Peace Forum.
I actually submitted my drawing from last week. I think I have a good shot at winning. In other news, the Media Majlis at NUQ has reopened with a new theme. Breaking news, how the smartphone changed journalism. Visit the Media Majlis website to find out more about the exhibition.
The heavy monsoon rains that took place in Pakistan in early August caused a massive flood that not only damaged infrastructures and homes, but also destroyed crops. If you want to help, you can donate to these organizations here.
Suffering from Zoom fatigue? Well, some of Qatar Foundation's high schools reopened on the September 1st with 30% capacity and strict social distancing regulations. Some of our fellow Education City universities have also been going back to campus with their hybrid classes, including Carnegie Mellon University and Texas A&M.
And with things reopening up, our reporter Ria Mishra went around EC to look at the safety and sanitation regulations in place to keep all of our beloved students, faculty, and staff safe and well.
Hello everyone, today we'll be going to the Student Center, Recreation Center and QNL to see how these different buildings have been implementing safety measures. Come along. So here at the Student Center, there are a number of safety measures implemented. When you enter the building, they make sure to check your etherats and to check your temperature. Whereas in different seating areas here at the Student Center, such as in the food court, they make sure that one seat is left unoccupied between each person. In the places like the gym, the treadmills are temporarily closed and there are wipes that can be used to sanitize the machines both before and after use. Only 15 people are allowed per hour. In the different coffee shops and Almira as well, only a certain number of people are allowed inside. So we're here at the Qatar National Library, and here also a number of different social distancing measures have been implemented. First of all, you have to make a booking through the website, and there are only a certain number of hours where you are allowed to enter. Second of all, the food court is open, but only 50% capacity is allowed. Your temperature has to be under 37 degrees Celsius and your ethras has to be green. We are now at the Recreation Center, where a number of different services are open for students to use. Number one, all the gyms are open, but per hour, only 10 people are allowed to enter. Number two, the basketball court and the squash court are open to use, but you have to make a reservation prior to coming to the center. Number three, different spaces such as the spa and the coffee shop are open.
Thank you, Rhea, for that interesting look into what EC is doing to keep its people safe. Now, let's move on to our interactive segment.
We have a special guest joining us today. Please welcome Professor Marie de Herpon, who is teaching a new improvisation class at NUQ.
Hello, Professor. How have you been?
Hello, I'm very fine. Hello, nice that you asked me to come here.
So tell us, how did you start having interest in improvisation, and what is improvisation really all about?
Improvisation is acting, but acting without any lines, so you're starting from the here and now, and most of the time you present your own stories.
Okay, so let's start off with some activities and let's see how it goes.
What do you have for us today?
Because normally, as an actor or actress, you start with a warming up. Why? Because your body is your instrument and you have to wake up your body and to train your body to speak with your body. So we start with a little bit of I. Waking up the eyes, because we do a lot behind the computer very well. And you look to the left and to the right and to the left and to the right, and you look up, down, down. Go on, up, down. And now you make rounds. Make rounds.
Okay,
Karin,
okay.
can you do that?
Roundabout.
Very good.
Okay, how does
So your eyes are clear, woken up.
Yep.
Because it's also important to wake up in the morning, and we start with the shoulder. So we go 1, and then we go 2, and we go 3.
Whoa.
Other side, 1, small, 2, and 3. And we go together, 1, 2, and 3. And when we have the arms, we do the legs. So we stand on one leg.
Oh, this needs like
Yes.
tremendous
And this is the
core.
ground. And the other legs.
Other leg.
And stand up. And push yourself in the floor. And change. One leg. Yes. And change. One leg in the floor. And then we make a little bit action. Yes, very quick. And we go quick. Yeah.
Okay.
And more quick.
Yeah.
More quick. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
Okay, and now we make everything relax. So we can go, when we improvise, we go all the way.
All the way.
Yeah, all the way.
So I'm sort of like all over the place.
All over the place, yes,
You know,
very
no
good.
space around me.
Very good, yes, you're very talented both. Wow,
Overachieving.
you're good.
Over.
Thank
You want
thank
more?
I know.
Let's do one more.
One more.
So warm up your hands and go a little bit through your knees. And go from one side
Okay.
to the other side. And 1 and 2 and very yeah, more and 3 and just and relax
Nice. Wow.
and relax your shoulders.
Okay.
More shoulders.
More shoulders. Love the
And
shoulders.
now you straighten up 2 legs. Put your
am.
feet in the ground.
Okay. Here we
Put
go.
your feet in the ground and your middle above your knees and your knees above your feet and your shoulders. And straighten up like
a robot.
something is pulling you up. Relax your arms. Open up your eyes and keep a smile. And then we are waking up.
Are we up? Are you up?
Wow, that was amazing.
I'm ready
It's
to
amazing.
conquer today.
God.
I'm ready to conquer.
Honestly, I am too. Wow. Well, it was a pleasure having you, Professor. We learned
Thank
a lot
you.
today. And thank you for joining us today for the second episode of the Not So Daily Show. We hope you enjoyed it. Come back for even more interactive content and leave some suggestions on who you want to see in the next episode. Until next time. I feel like a worm.